Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce learning barriers with lynda.com, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying the specific learning barriers you or your team face. Common barriers include limited time, lack of engagement, or difficulty understanding content. Next, create a lynda.com account if you don't already have one. Navigate to the lynda.com website and click on Sign Up. Choose a subscription plan that best suits your needs, whether it's individual or team-based. Once your account is set up, explore the vast library of courses available. Utilize the search bar to find specific topics or skills you want to learn. Take advantage of the filtering options to narrow down the results by category or skill level. Select a course that addresses your learning needs and click on it to view the course page. Review the course description, learning objectives, and instructor credentials. If the course seems suitable, start the first video lesson. Make use of the playback controls to adjust the speed according to your comprehension level. Pause the video whenever you need to take notes or absorb the material fully. Engage with the course content by participating in any interactive exercises or quizzes provided. After completing each section, utilize the discussion forums to ask questions and engage with other learners. Revisit challenging topics by using the Watch Later feature to bookmark sections of the course for future review. Consider setting aside specific times each week dedicated to learning on lynda.com to maintain consistency. Monitor your progress by checking the completion status of your courses on your dashboard. Lastly, apply what you learned through practical exercises or projects to reinforce your new skills. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce learning barriers and enhance your overall learning experience with lynda. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.